So part two of turning off private chat. So the last video just talked about turning off chat in general, but let's say you want them to be able to chat as a class, but not as with private messages. So you would just click on, or you'd sign in. I think I'm signed in. Am I signed in? I'm signed in. So you go to your account. On the left-hand side, you have settings. And then in meeting basics, if you scroll down to in meeting basics, there's an option that says private chat. Just make sure that that's toggled off. Okay, so then that prevents students from being able to send direct messages to other participants, etc. Right? So they can't send like private messages. They can't send like messages to other people. They have to do the messages just to the group. Okay, there's also some other settings in here that you can mess with. This is on the, I guess I should have mentioned this, this is on the web. So it's not on the app. You have to actually go into Google, go to Zoom, log in, and then this is how you go change some of your in-depth settings. So that should be it for settings on Zoom.